Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Scott County in western Arkansas, northern Polk County in western Arkansas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mountain Fork, or 17 miles northwest of Mena, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Waldron, Beauchamp, Queen Wilhelmina State Park, Acorn, Black Fork, Y-City, Rich Mountain, Black Fork Mountain Wilderness, Needmore, Bowles, Parks, Eagleton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.